Bit of helicopter harassment. Notice how it's going real slow. It's got its searchlight on as well. You can't see on this when it's shining its searchlight onto the sea. Well, this is a same helicopter I mentioned in my first video, where I said it shining a searchlight near where I was camping. But this is what they do, man. I mean, this is a big training area for the RAF, but I find it very doubtful that every time it's come through, it's been shining the searchlight near me. And you notice how slow it's going. It's just the harassment you get as a targeted individual. From the air, from the land, from the sea, wherever you get harassment and intimidation. So this is just surveilling me, so I'm surveilling it. Yeah, that's exactly what they do, man. Exactly what they do. Precisely what they do, in fact. I'm going to end recording, so I've got to go. But yeah, it's just an idea.